Hi splendid lovers, it's your girl Vicky Nice and I'm back with another amazing recipe. So guys, it's Vlogmas day 4 and we are making this very yummy fluffy puff puff, okay? And I did something differently guys, so you want to stick to the end to see exactly what I did differently. So to make this puff puff, you'll be needing your all-purpose flour, your sugar, your milk, your dried ground pepper, your salt, your yeast. Just check the description box or the comment section for this recipe, okay? It's going to be listed in the comment section or the description box, so do well to check it out, okay? Now just incorporate all these ingredients together and give this a proper mix. If you notice, I mixed every other ingredient first before I added my yeast, okay? So you want to do that as well. Now after mixing properly, you are going to add in your water. I'm using about 3/4 cup of water, but this my cup here, the one I used is 1/4, sorry, 1/2, so I had to measure it 3 times. Like I said, please check the description box or the comment section for this recipe. Now you are going to give that a good mix, okay? Mix this until there is no lump inside your puff puff batter. Now you can see the way I'm beating this, like the way I'm mixing it is like you are beating it. Mix it like this, okay, to get that perfect end result of your puff puff batter. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe and join the splendid family. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back to support and watch my videos. Can you see the consistency? That's what you want to achieve. Once that is done, just get your cling film and cover this up for it to double in size. Now after about 30 minutes, our puff puff is ready. You can see it has doubled in size, okay? I'm just going to like mix this up a bit and demonstrate how you are going to be cutting your puff puff inside your oil for it to fry, okay? Just watch carefully. Can you see how luscious this batter is? Like, this is a fail proof recipe, okay? Just follow the steps and you are going to end up with a very yummy puff puff. Now heat up some oil and begin to scoop your puff puff batter inside your hot oil. You can see the way I'm scooping this puff puff batter, so watch closely to understand, okay? And like I said before, I did something different. Now to this my puff puff recipe, I added garlic and ginger powder. Like the one I used was actually stated garlic, ginger and onion powder, okay? This is a game changer to your puff puff recipe. You want to try it out. Like this puff puff, they tasted super good. The end result was splendid. Yes, it was. So just keep stirring your puff puff, okay, so that it cooks perfectly on every side. Just keep stirring. You are going to fry your puff puff until it is golden brown. Then you take it out of the oil, put it in your sieve for it to drain out the excess oil, and your puff puff is ready for you to enjoy. Okay, you can enjoy this with any cold drink of your choice. Okay, it's the season of love and the season of enjoyment, so I'm giving you guys back-to-back recipes that you can be enjoying with your friends and family. So if you watched up till this moment, thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the splendid family if you have not done so. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I mean, look at this puff puff and tell me you don't want some. Look how fluffy and luscious it is looking. They tasted so good, trust me. So stay blessed, guys.